Hi, I'm Danny Lipford. As a contractor and a home improvement TV host, I spend my fair share of time in attics, enough to truly believe a recent study that says over 90% of U.S. homes are under-insulated. So homeowners could save as much as 15% on their heating and cooling costs just by sealing their homes and adding insulation to attics, crawl spaces, and basements. In fact, adding fiberglass insulation ranks as having one of the best home improvement returns on investment. So whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or a pro, Owens Corning has the right product for your job. Like pink next-gen fiberglass insulation, which is soft as cotton and installs up to 23% faster. And Thermofiber Fire and Sound Guard Plus is a mineral wool blend with excellent thermal insulation, fire and moisture resistance, and noise control. With Owens Corning, you can always get the right product for the right job at your local Home Depot store or on homedepot.com.